In the architectural ecosystem of a small apartment, the kitchen is often the most challenging puzzle piece. It is a high-utility zone that demands rugged durability, yet in a compact footprint, such as a studio or a one-bedroom flat, it frequently sits in direct eye line of the living and sleeping areas. This visibility makes the design choices critical. When space is at a premium, flooring ceases to be just a surface to walk on. It becomes a powerful optical tool. The best minimalist kitchen flooring for small apartments does more than support your feet. It manipulates perspective, diffuses light, and creates a sense of calm continuity that can make a modest 50-square-foot galley feel like an expansive part of a grander whole. Minimalism in this context is not about stripping away joy or living in a stark, white box. It is about strategic reduction. It is the art of removing visual barriers to allow the eye to travel uninterrupted across the room. By selecting the right materials, textures, and installation methods, you can trick the brain into perceiving more space than physically exists. This guide explores the philosophy and practicality of choosing flooring that serves both form and function in the modern, compact home. The philosophy of seamless continuity. The single biggest mistake in designing for small spaces is chopping up the floor plan. In traditional design, it was common to see a hard threshold where the hallway carpet met the living room wood, which then abruptly switched to kitchen tile. In a sprawling suburban house, these zones work. In a small apartment, however, these visual breaks act as stop signs for the eye, compartmentalizing the available space into tiny, disconnected boxes. To achieve a modern minimalist aesthetic that maximizes square footage, the goal must be seamless continuity. The most effective strategy is to run a single flooring material throughout the entire apartment, extending from the front door right through to the toe kicks of the kitchen cabinets. This approach blurs the boundaries of the kitchen zone, effectively borrowing visual space from the adjacent living area. When the floor flows uninterrupted, the brain registers the total square footage of the combined area rather than just the limited footprint of the kitchen. For this to work, the material must be versatile. It needs the warmth and acoustic softness desired in a living room but the water and stain resistance required for a kitchen. This is where modern material technology shines. High-quality luxury vinyl planks, LVP, and engineered hardwoods with hydrophobic sealants have become the heroes of the seamless floor, offering a unified look that withstands the rigors of culinary life without the need for transition strips or dividers. The optical illusion of large format tiles. If your preference leans towards stone or ceramic, perhaps for their cooling properties or industrial vibe, the scale of the tile is paramount. A common misconception is that small rooms require small tiles. In reality, the opposite is true. Small tiles, such as penny rounds or standard 12-inch squares, require a dense grid of grout lines. This grid creates a busy visual texture that acts as noise, cluttering the floor and making the room feel tighter and more enclosed. To counteract this, designers champion large format tiles for small spaces. Tiles measuring 24 by 24 inches, or even massive 24 by 48-inch slabs, are game changers. By significantly reducing the number of grout lines, you create a surface that looks less like a grid and more like a monolithic slab. This lack of interruption allows the eye to glide over the surface. The magic, however, lies in the grout execution. For a truly minimalist effect, the grout color should be an exact match to the tile body. This technique, known as rectified tiling, minimizes the visibility of the joints almost entirely. The result is a sleek, expansive surface that provides the durability of porcelain or stone without the claustrophobic grid pattern, creating a calm foundation that lets the rest of the kitchen breathe. Harnessing light with Scandi-style woods. Lighting in small apartments can often be a struggle, particularly in kitchens tucked away from the primary windows. Since the floor is one of the largest surface areas in the room, its ability to reflect or absorb light dictates the atmosphere. This is why lightwood flooring for small kitchens remains a dominant trend in minimalist design. Borrowing from Scandinavian principles, pale woods like white oak, ash, and beech introduce an element of organic warmth without the heaviness of dark walnuts or mahoganies. Lightwood tones act as natural reflectors, bouncing daylight from nearby windows upward onto the walls and ceiling. This uplighting effect dissolves shadowy corners and increases the perceived ceiling height, making the kitchen feel airier and more hygienic. Furthermore, the grain direction of wood planks or wood-look vinyl serves as a directional arrow for the eyes. In a narrow galley kitchen, laying planks parallel to the longest wall elongates the room, drawing the eye toward the window or the view beyond. It is a subtle geometric trick that emphasizes length and flow, reinforcing the feeling of movement rather than stagnation. The industrial calm of microcement. For those seeking the ultimate in minimalist purity, microcement or polished concrete offers a compelling solution. Unlike tiles or planks, concrete is a seamless pour. There are no joints, no grout lines, and no breaks. It provides a literal blank canvas, a smooth sea of gray that creates an immediate sense of modern sophistication. In a small apartment, concrete acts as an anchor. Its neutral, gray tone pairs effortlessly with almost any cabinetry color, from matte black to high-gloss white. While it creates an industrial look, it doesn't have to feel cold. When paired with underfloor heating, a luxury often affordable in small square footage, concrete becomes a warm, tactile surface that feels luxurious underfoot. From a maintenance perspective, concrete is incredibly forgiving. Its naturally modeled texture hides dust and crumbs far better than solid white tiles, and its impermeability makes it virtually indestructible against water spills, a crucial factor in tight kitchens where the sink is never more than a step away. Texture over gloss, a practical matter. In the pursuit of minimalism, the finish of the floor is just as critical as the material itself. While high-gloss finishes might seem like a good idea to reflect light in a small, high-traffic kitchen, they can be visually chaotic. High-gloss floors act like mirrors, reflecting the underside of cabinets, table legs, and every smudge or footprint. This creates a busy reflection that contradicts the goal of serenity. A matte or satin finish is the superior choice for minimalist flooring maintenance. Matte surfaces absorb light rather than reflecting it, creating a soft, velvety appearance that looks clean and sophisticated. They provide a quiet visual background. More importantly, matte finishes offer better traction. In a small kitchen where you are constantly pivoting between the stove and the sink, slip resistance is a genuine safety concern. A textured, matte vinyl or honed stone provides grip and hides the inevitable wear and tear of daily life, ensuring the kitchen looks pristine with minimal effort.